I wish I had some hair right now. All right, so let's begin with my weekly recap. So, since I didn't trade this week and the past week because I am still on my seminar, we're just going to do a daily recap. So, we are going to scale through the days and just see if the market would have give me an opportunity. So, for Monday, definitely yes, as we can see here. Based on the 4 hour, I would be bearish. We can see the fair value gap here. Wait, let me see if, yes, okay. So we can see the fair value gap right here. Let me see how big the week is. Okay, so that's just the beginning of the week. And fair value gap, so I would be bearish from there on. Let me see if I can scale back to the Monday. So 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So market open right there. Okay, so I would be bearish. Um, I wouldn't have taken a trade though because we took out London low. Um, and yes, London low. Well, London's usually my take profit, and if I am bearish, I would have waited for London high to get swept in order to target London low. So Monday, my bias would be right. My entry wasn't there though. For Tuesday, I wouldn't have traded on Tuesday. And I also would not have traded on Wednesday because there's no fair value gap for me to retrace to. So if I look at that right now, so there would be no trades for me this week. Well, yes, no. Let me see, 9 o'clock. No. So this would be the only possible fair value gap I agree on taking a trade on. But since the past moves wasn't during London and during New York session, I would not have find an entry. Um, yes. So I'm glad I didn't trade this week. Price action looks straight ass, if I'm being honest. Um, yes, that's basically it. For I can do weekly analysis straight up too. Higher time frame weekly. Maybe delete that page. Okay, I'm very bullish. Very bullish. We came down, swept the sell side. Still bullish on the weekly. Creating higher highs, creating higher lows, disrespecting these survey gaps over here. So very bullish on the week, targeting a previous week high. So this would be my weekly take profit. Let me check the news. Okay, so for Monday, we have no news Monday, no news Tuesday. So Monday is going to be a very, very, very slow day because it's Monday and there are no news. Tuesday is also going to be kinda slow, I would say, because still no news. And since Monday didn't have anything, Tuesday probably isn't going to have something. And we have CPI on a wait, wrong. Oh, we have FOMC on Wednesday. So Tuesday is going to chop around until FOMC. Until FOMC. So I would look for a trade only on Thursday next week. And then on Thursday and Friday because we have PPI on Friday, and Thursday we have unemployment claims, and we have this is today after FOMC, so we have to have some volume still. Yes. So for me, I would be bullish on the week. I only would trade on Thursday and Friday. Don't no news Monday, no news Tuesday, FOMC Wednesday. Nothing I would want to trade. So only Thursday and Friday.